Well, just into our showroom floor here at buyavette.net is this 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport Z07 3LT Coupe. Just 31,000 miles. This is a beautiful car. It won't be here long. There is so much information about this car. You're going to have to click the link right down below to see all the information and into the pricing and more detailed photos, but that link will take you to all that information. This is absolutely beautiful. Admiral Blue on the exterior, jet black interior, under the hood 460 horsepower LT1 engine with 7-speed manual transmission. Oh, is this car a beauty, and it's going to be fun to drive. Factory features include the $9,745 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. This includes Napa leather seating, color-keyed instrument panel, leather-wrapped instrument panel, center console and door panels. It has the performance data recorder with navigation, heads-up display, Bose 10-speaker stereo system with the steering wheel controls. It has MyLink, auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual-power seat bolster and lumbar. It has advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter. It has memory package. It has a front view camera as well. Beautiful suede microfiber wrapped upper trim package. It also has that Grand Sport package, black brake calipers, electronic limited slip differential with cooler, multi-mode exhaust, magnetic selective ride control, dry sump oil system. It has those Z06 sized wheels, tires and brakes, Z06 style rocker panels, the wider quarter panels and fenders, specific gear ratios. It has a wicker built rear spoiler and specific front splitter as well. Also includes the $7,995 Z07 Performance package. This includes Stage 3 front and rear aerial components, the Brembo carbon ceramic matrix brake rotors, has the $2,995 Carbon Flash ground effects package that looks absolutely great. Has the competition sports seats, black wheels, carbon fiber steering wheel, GS armrest logo, interior enhancement package, suede seats, center console, door panels, door panel and shift knob, shift boot, steering wheel, carbon flash painted spoiler and outside mirrors. This is just an unbelievable car. It has the Grand Sport Heritage package. Everything on this car, of course, is power. It comes with a clean Carfax, and it's loaded with options. And we said just 31,755 miles. It's in very nice condition. Very good seats on the interior, excellent steering wheel and door panels. Now, the only addition to this car, after all of that, we can say the only addition to this car appears to be the window tint and tinted windshield banner. And this vehicle features a corrosion-free subframe, and of course it is Buyavette certified. This is a vehicle just all it should be. It's just into our showroom. It won't last long. Give us a call today at 770-414-5552. Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. One of our sales representatives will take care of you. Click the link down below. You can go to our, take you right to this car on our website, and you can get more information about purchasing this car. Remember, we ship nationwide, much less expensive than you can imagine, and you can buy online with ease, but most importantly, with confidence. So give us a call today, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We want to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Hope to hear from you really soon.